Okay, unboxing the Gozney Roccbox. It's the Gozney. Just open it up now. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice looking pizza peel. Recipes. The manual looks pretty strong. You can stand on it. Not recommended, I'm guessing. Not a bad looking pizza peel actually. Not sure steel's the go for a pizza peel. You want a wooden one so there's no condensation forms between your flour and your peel, but we'll give this one a go anyway and see how we go. This out. Put it over there. It's nicely wrapped. Right. Split it out. Fairly heavy, probably must be about 30 kg. Quite nice and neat in there. Look at that. Probably haven't glued that after a few cooks. Nice heavy duty strap on it. Definitely takes the weight. Really bit of Velcro. Nothing like that Velcro sound. Nice neat outer coating. It's almost a rubbery like coating on it. Got a temperature gauge. Put it up on its legs in a minute. They're nice and solid. They've got a solid feel to them. Obviously we use that as a, or you can go higher. Fold them out. I don't feel like they're going to come loose anytime soon. Okay, this is the gas burner, not the wood burner. Gas burner manual. Looks like it's got a piezo ignition. There it is. Not sure that that cable's long enough to get me to the floor from my table. Ah, looks like it. Underneath here. It's in there and it turns and it locks in there like that. All the usual instructions. Don't operate appliance without reading instructions. Make sure you do that. Stay safe. There she is, all set up. Got the gas bottle hooked up. Gas is plugged in there. Pizza peel in the middle. Yeah, so all ready to go. Just got to make up some dough and some pizzas and we can cook.